mention Old Trafford as a legendary landmark for Manchester United fans, which will engage locals and football worldwide. Whether you are a local or visiting Manchester, here's everything you need to know about Premier in Manchester Old Trafford, and affordable option near one of the world's most famous stadiums. Hi everyone, welcome back. I am Hasnan Ali and you are watching my YouTube channel Eyes on Travel. If you are into hotel reviews, travel tips and exploring new destinations, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video. In this video, we will see the hotel facilities, the reviews of hotel and last local attractions and football focus. First of all, we will talk about the hotel reviews. Mention top reviews platform, share reviews from platform like TripAdvisor, Google and Booking.com. Highlight both the positive reviews and constructive feedback to keep it balanced and real. Include customer ratings and mention any praise or recurring issues. With over 4,000 reviews and a rating of 4.5 stars, Premier in Manchester Old Trafford is praised for its excellent location, friendly service and comfort. However, some guests have mentioned noise issues during match days. Highlights any specific reviews by local to build credibility with Manchester residents, showing how the hotel fits into local life. For example, local visitors mention how convenient it is to visit Old Trafford and nearby attractions. Our next is hotel facilities. Business travelers highlight free Wi-Fi, conference rooms and proximate to public transport like the Metrolink. Business travelers highlight free Wi-Fi, conference rooms and proximate to public transport like the Metrolink. Football fans emphasize the walking distance to Old Trafford and stadium views from certain rooms. Families mention family rooms, on-site dining options, and nearby attractions like the Lorry and Media City, UK. Global viewers discuss how the hotel's proximate to Manchester International Airport makes it an ideal choice for international visitors. Premier Inn provides essential amenities like cozy Hypnos beds, free Wi-Fi, and an in-house restaurant, making it a perfect choice for families, solo travelers, and business people. Location and convenience. Discuss how well connected the hotel is within Manchester and the convenience of accessing other key points in the city. For instance, mention nearby attractions like the Imperial War Museum, the Lorry and Trafford Center. We will talk about the price affordability factor of Premier Inn and why it's a smart choice for budget conscious travelers looking for comfort without compromising on location. At an average of 60 to 80 pound per night, Premier Inn offers fantastic value for staying close to iconic Old Trafford and other major sports in Manchester. Best time to visit, give insights on staying at the hotel during Manchester United match days, local festivals, or even off-peak times to avoid crowds. Encouraging views. Have you stayed at Premier in Manchester Old Trafford? Drop a comment below with your experience. What was your favorite part about staying here? If you are a Manchester United fan or plan to visit Manchester soon, don't forget to subscribe for more hotel reviews and travel tips. Local attractions and football focus. Dive into the importance of the location for football fans, mentioning Old Trafford towards football matches and even meet and greets with Manchester United players that sometimes happen around match days. For global audiences, mention the Premier League's global fan base, which will catch the attention of Manchester United followers across the world. Consider including snippets or footage of Old Trafford or match day vibes in the area to appeal visually to football. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more travel content, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.